Today I'm going to show you how to integrate WordPress with Zapier in a simple step-by-step way so you can connect your website to powerful automations in just a few minutes. This is a great setup if you want to save time, send data between apps automatically, and build workflows without doing everything manually. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create button and click it. This is where you start building a new automation workflow inside Zapier. After that, click on Zap Workflows. That will open the workflow builder where you can connect WordPress to another app and set up your automation. Now you'll see the option to choose a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts your automation, so click on Trigger to begin. In the app search box, type WordPress and select it from the results. Zapier will now ask you to choose a trigger event for WordPress. Pick any event that fits your workflow. Depending on what you want to automate, this could be something like a new post, a form submission, or another WordPress activity. Once you choose the event, log into your WordPress account when prompted. This step connects your site to Zapier so it can access the data needed for the automation. After logging in, that part is complete. Now it's time to set up the next half of the workflow, which is the action. Click on Action to choose what should happen after the WordPress trigger is detected. In the app search field, type the name of the app you want to connect to WordPress. For example, you could choose Mailchimp if you want to send contacts into an email list, or any other app that matches your workflow. Next, click on Choose an event and select the action you want Zapier to perform. Just like with the trigger, pick the option that best fits your goal. After that, log into the second account when prompted. This connects the destination app so Zapier can send your data there automatically. Once both the trigger and action are connected, click Build it in the top area to continue. This takes you into the final setup stage where you can review your workflow and make sure everything is configured correctly. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to test the automation first. Click Test Run to make sure the integration works the way you expect. This is an important step because it helps you catch any issues before the workflow goes live. If the test runs successfully, you're ready for the final step. Click Publish to turn on your Zap, and that's it. Your WordPress integration with Zapier is now live. From this point on, Zapier can automatically move information between WordPress and the app you connected, saving you time and making your workflow much more efficient. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.